Hello YouTube, will be yellow and hard for 16 days, the expert told how to properly store bananas. Beautiful yellow bananas bought the day before are covered with black spots in just a day, a familiar picture? How to extend the shelf life of bananas, says the expert. Bananas have many benefits, including providing the body with essential vitamins such as B6 and potassium, and providing the body with sustained energy, which means they are great for people who play sports. However, bananas are difficult to store and often the time between underripe and overripe is very short. Therefore, when choosing and storing bananas, you need to follow some important rules. The top tip that may seem obvious to you is to buy them green and let them mature at home. It is also important to keep bananas away from other fruits. This will benefit both the banana and other fruits, as bananas release ethylene gas when ripe, which causes other fruits to ripen and spoil faster. Do not create beautiful still lifes in a vase of fruit, they will be too short-lived. Take bananas out of the plastic bags they are wrapped in because the plastic will retain the moisture the bananas released through ethylene gas as they ripen, causing them to ripen even faster. Store your bananas at room temperature, away from moisture, out of sunlight and too high temperatures. If the bananas still lose their presentation, make a cupcake or banana bread out of them. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.